Hey guys, today we're discussing about why the boom and bust days of Bitcoin are over, as an analyst said. So come and join me, and today we're walking in the botanical gardens. A macro analyst at a firm worth over $3.3 trillion has taken a look at Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and where the markets are going, and he said, you know what, the days that Bitcoin goes up 1,000% and then falls 80%, that is long over. Check that out. That's a pretty big pumpkin. So we are actually heading into new territory, which can be observed over what happened over the past 2 years, where sure, Bitcoin's had a little bit of a rise, but many of us who are accustomed to what was happening before, there's a lot of salad. When we were accustomed to what was happening in 2017 and 2018 and a couple of years before that, that is no longer the case because of more people coming into it, the network growing stronger, institutions coming on board, regulation happening. So now there are new patterns. That's pretty cool. As crypto is more understood, and especially Bitcoin, the actual value of it by institutional investors, now when the market swoons and everybody's kind of, I don't know about whether I should start investing in it, then you will have more accumulation. People, whales, and large companies and organizations in these times, whereas before people were freaking out, they now understand that it is important to actually try and get more and more so that when Bitcoin rises, you're going to have a very healthy amount of Bitcoin that is actually going up. Sorry, we had a helicopter flying through. So with that, as the value of Bitcoin is understood, it is actually going to take shape similar to what a traditional risk asset, where people will not just be jumping onto it for a month or two and trying to make as much profit as they can. They're actually going to hold on to it. They're going to react a lot more naturally. So with this, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the large cryptocurrencies, as institutions get on board, as more people are understanding of what it does, and there's more cryptocurrency exchanges and places to purchase and sell, you're actually going to have a much healthier market. Now, it's not going to go up 1,000%, but it is still going to continue to rise and most likely beat stocks and whatever else is going on out there. Now, with what's going on right now, where Bitcoin below 40,000, this is most likely due to the fact that the stock market and other risk assets are not doing so well right now. It is pretty windy. So some of what he says is, as Bitcoin's value becomes better understood by more and more investors, there could be more efficient accumulation when Bitcoin swoons and more determined distribution when it moons. That's what makes it a two-way market. Remember, price is what you pay, but value is what you get. In the early days, most investors only knew the price. But as investors better understand valuation, Bitcoin is less likely to resemble the early boom-bust days and could start behaving like a traditional risk asset. I guess we got locked out, but still have 45 minutes. Yeah, definitely looks like a lock. This honestly is pretty cool. You can't really hear your echo, so a nice living room. This is pretty cool. My favorite type of tree, the bonsai. Thanks for watching today's video. Have a great rest of your day.